Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Calculation of Goodwill, Valuation of Goodwill. We are into this. Practically third method we are doing. First method, average method. Second one, profit method, super profit method, and third one, capitalization of super profit method. This introduction also I gave you in the last class. Now today we'll work out one problem. Before going to that, let me request you all, please do share these videos because I am spending a lot of time and energy and preparation, editing and also uploading and all these things. It's taking a lot of time. Please do share with your friends nearby, juniors, seniors or friends, anyone. Please do that. Now coming to this capitalization of super profit. Previous class we have done a simple problem to make you understand. Now today's problem, a little bit twist is there. Nothing to worry, problem you have to understand. If you understand problem, solution is very easy. Anyway, method is same points you have to remember. Now I'll make you to understand the problem first, then after that we can work out easily. Now here if you see the problem, Mr. Weissman invested 2 lakh in his business. 2 lakh he has invested, means nothing but assets. If liabilities or nothing is given, then this would be the capital employed. Okay, so capital employed, this one. The annual profits earned, profits already given 45,000, okay, which includes 10,000 received as compensation. In this profits, compensation amount is included. Profits, average profit is given 45,000. In this 10,000 it is compensation is included. What we'll do? We have to deduct it to get the average profit. Average profit is given. Adjusted average profit, how do we get? If any adjustments are, that is to be deducted or to be added. Now here this is, we are going to deduct it. Next, normal rate of return 10%. This is required to know the normal profit. Next one, he could engage himself in employment, thereby getting an annual salary of 7,200. He is getting annual salary of 7,200. Means, so because of this 7,200 also profit is decreasing. So that is why this also we are going to deduct. Profit is here 45,000 given. From that compensation 10,000 and also his salary 7,200, both we are going to deduct. So that will get adjusted average profit. Next one, considering 2% as fair compensation for risk involved in the business. Actual normal rate of return is 10%, they said, but they are saying that consider it 2% extra for the compensation of risk, means 10% plus 2%. So normal rate of return is here 12%. Remember this point. The rest of the problem is normal. Calculate goodwill on capitalization of super profit method. Like this, if you read, if you understand the problem, quite easy. If you understand, pause the video, work out, and if you get my answer, what I am going to work out. If it is going to tally, please write it in the comment box that you got the answer. Otherwise, please go ahead, I'll work out and I'll show you. Now here, solution. First thing is average profit. Average profit is already given. To that we have adjustments. So that will do average profit. You can show it in a table. Average profit 45,000. From this we are going to deduct compensation. Minus compensation 10,000 and also salary minus salary. Because of these two, profit is decreasing, right? So 7,200. So whatever we are going to get, that is adjusted average profit. This one we are getting. Adjusted average profit. We'll use the calculator. 45,000 minus 10,000 means 35,000. 35,000 minus 7,200 is 27,800. Okay. Now capital employed is given already. What is that? 2 lakh rupees. Capital employed. If you want, you can write it. Capital employed is 2 lakh. Next, what is needed? Normal profit. Okay. Third step, normal profit. How do we get normal profit? Normal profit, how do you get? Average capital employed. Capital employed, this one. There is no average capital because we have not given any kind of fixed assets, current current liabilities. Directly it is given. So we'll consider it as capital employed, capital employed. Need not to go for average. Okay. So anyway, capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is here 20,000. Sorry, 2 lakh. Yeah, 2 lakh. 2 lakh into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is actually 10%, but they are saying us to consider 2 more percent. So together it is 12% into 12%. 4,000. No. 1, 2, 3, 24,000. Normal profit, you got it. Next, after that, super profit. The fourth step. Super profit. Super profit formula is adjusted average profit. Adjusted average profit is 27,800. Okay, 27,800 and minus normal profit. Normal profit is 24,000. 800. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Once again, we'll check all the calculations. It will be easy for us to understand. 45,000 minus 45 means 35,000 minus 7,200, 27,800. Okay. And here 2 lakh into 12%, 24,000 clear. 27,800 minus 24,000. Yeah, 3,800. Super profit you got. Next, what else? Goodwill. Please remember, write the formulas, then after that calculations. Anyway, I have written, that is the reason I am not writing the formulas. Okay. Goodwill is super profit by, super profit is here 3,800 divided by normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is 12. 12 into 100. So that it is 3,80,000 divided by 12. 31,667. This is the goodwill. Once again, let me check the calculation. 3,000 divided by 12. Yes, that's all. Okay. Are you following? First take the screenshot or note down, then I'll give you the explanation once again. There is nothing to worry, only the thing is you have to understand the problem. If you understand each and every point like this, simple, follow the steps. Of course, we have done a lot of problems. Hope it is clear for you, as whatever is given according to the step by step you have completed, and you have to apply the formula. That's it. So practice well and stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos and have a bright future. Good luck.